Hello, everyone. This is Julie HR. Thank you so much for getting me to 700 subscribers. If you already haven't liked my channel, please hit a like and also subscribe and hit the bell notifications. I really appreciate all the support over the past 2 years. So I want to go over my newest template I released today. It's called the Employee Benefit Summary. I decided I wanted to do this because I remember a long time ago when I was in a small company, I just needed something, a one-page employee benefit summary that I could have whenever I was onboarding a new hire, if I needed to have the data right away. And I just created this because I'm always looking to make the lives of HR professionals easier. So I created this, and you'll see medical, dental, vision. We'll look at it in a little bit more depth so you can see it. Then it has the biweekly contributions. This is the blank one, but then I have another one that has an example also. So you'll see the biweekly employee contributions, medical PPO, medical HDHP, dental and vision, HSA, FSA, and so on, all the way down to PTO. It's in Google Docs, and it's also in Excel. As mentioned, there are two. One has just general details, and the other one has like rates and examples, like with basic life at AD&D. I just put an example of the first one times annual salary up to 150, and then I also put like the provider and the long-term disability, 60% of monthly earnings and whatnot. Just a simple one-page landscape Excel Google Sheets that go over basically all the benefits for you, for your assistant to use, maybe in HR or to help. So benefits all in one place, easy for HR to update, professional employee handout. It just saves a lot of time, honestly. And I just created this today, and with some beautiful colors that you can edit. It prints beautifully. You can use it for open enrollment. You can use it for new hire orientation or whatnot. And easy to edit. And I'm going to actually look at it right now. I'm going to go into it, and here you can see it right here. I'm going to see if I can make it a little bit larger just in case you're having, So you can see medical, dental, vision, and then employee only medical. I did 3 medical plans, dental. If you wanted to add more, of course, this is Excel, so you can add columns in there, and I put some of the just generic benefits that are, included. But if you wanted to add more, you could. But I just wanted to get something on one page. See, I put PTO holidays right here. You could actually cut that in half or may have some more. And then here, I wanted to also have one that had an example, So this one has, this actually has the max, HSA, FSA, and also voluntary life, dependent life, short-term disability, who's paying for it. Talks about 401k, just kind of the basics and stuff like that, just as an example for you. So I hope everybody likes this template. I know I loved it. I enjoy making things that make your life simple as HR professionals. Hopefully you like this, like the colors. If you need any help editing or anything like that, just give me a shout. Hit me up on Etsy. Just hit message, and I will get it. It goes right to my phone. And as mentioned, thank you so much for getting me to 700 subscribers, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.